Good morning, Advice 101. May ginawa lang ako dito. There was a time na makakagawa tayo ng mali, pero hindi natin pagsisisihan kasi we did it out of love. Isang pagkakamali that will lead to a lifetime suffering. Pero hindi tayo magsisisi kasi ginawa natin yon with the person na mahalaga sa atin. And people don't know about it. Kaya huhusgahan kanila agad based on that. They saw you o they hear you kahit hindi na alam ang main reason kung bakit mo ginawa yon. Hindi bali nang gumawa ng mali, at least naramdaman mo ang saya kahit papano. Ito yung tinatawag na failure but still a victory. Kasi you gain happiness of that mistake. Life is just a short trip. Do what's make you happy. Advice 101.